Hello, beautiful souls. Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we explore the products that can truly elevate your beauty routine. If your hair has been feeling dry, fragile, or just lacking that healthy glow, then this might be a video you won't want to miss. Before we get into it, make sure to subscribe and hit that bell icon so you never miss an honest review that helps you make informed beauty choices. Today, we're looking at ANZA's Keratin Healing Oil and their healing kits. This line is designed to restore dry and damaged hair, offering intense softness and shine. The star ingredient here is Tahitian Tamanu nut hair oil, known for its nourishing properties that aim to rebuild and strengthen hair from the inside out. The products come in a liquid form, making them easy to apply and are suitable for all hair types. The scent is natural, subtle, and pleasant without being overpowering. Using this in my hair routine, I found the oil incredibly easy to incorporate. Just a few drops warmed in the palms and applied to damp or dry hair made my strands feel instantly softer. It absorbs quickly, leaving no greasy residue, which is a big plus if you don't want your hair feeling weighed down. The healing kits complement the oil beautifully. They include treatment steps that target overall hair health, helping repair damage while boosting shine. After a week of consistent use, my hair felt noticeably smoother, more manageable, and healthier looking. The hydration level is impressive, especially for hair that's prone to breakage or dryness. Now, looking at the pros and cons. On the plus side, the oil's lightweight texture, deep nourishing properties, and ease of use make it a fantastic addition to any hair care routine. The kits provide a structured approach to healing damaged hair, which adds value if you're serious about hair health. On the downside, the price point is on the higher side, and if you're used to more concentrated serums, you might need to apply a bit more to get the full effect. In terms of value, I'd say ANZA offers a premium experience. The quality of ingredients, especially the Tahitian Tamanu nut hair oil, justifies the investment if you're looking for a treatment that goes beyond basic conditioning. Compared to similar keratin oils on the market, ANZA stands out for its luxurious feel, effectiveness, and the added benefit of the complete healing kits for a more holistic approach. The packaging is sleek and functional, with durable bottles that make dispensing easy. I've been using this consistently, and there's no sign of the formula losing its efficacy, so it holds up well over time. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this, and if you're itching to get it, the link is in the comments. ANZA has a solid reputation for customer service, responsive and supportive if you ever need guidance on their products. If you're looking for alternatives at a slightly lower price point, there are keratin oils from other brands, but they often lack the same nourishing depth and softness that ANZA delivers, especially with the healing kits. In summary, ANZA's Keratin Healing Oil and healing kits excel in restoring dry and damaged hair, leaving it soft, shiny, and healthy looking. They're ideal for anyone struggling with fragility or dullness in their hair and willing to invest in a premium, effective treatment. While the price is higher than standard oils, the results speak for themselves, especially if you value long-term hair health. Thank you so much for watching Beautyistic. If you've tried ANZA or have your own favorite hair treatments, drop a comment below and let us know your thoughts. The link to grab this product is in the description box. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.